Hello everyone, my name is Prasad and I'm part of customer success team. And today we are going to show you all the new updates and feature enhancement that we have done in the latest update of Fogwing CMMS platform version 2.21. So first off, we have done some enhancement in the work evidence module where now in addition to the images, we can upload PDF file, providing you with the flexibility to document and preview the service record seamlessly. Also, we have made a significant enhancement into the Asset 360 module, particularly focusing on the asset performance. So we have added new charts for downtime, MTTR, MTBF values so we can track and visualize asset reliability trends over different periods of time. And it provides you with deeper insight for your asset performance. And finally, we have introduced a new feature, which is the asset disposal feature, allowing you to mark assets which are no longer in service. So it helps you to streamline asset management and keeps your system up to date. Alongside with these features, we have also made several improvements and fixes, which includes the enhancement in the preventive maintenance module and introduction of KPI values at the plant level. So all these enhancement and feature will be demonstrated you by Nikita, who is the product manager here. Over to you, Nikita.
Thank you, Prasad, for the fantastic introduction. Hello, everyone. I'm Nikita, Product Manager at Fogwing Industrial Cloud. I am here today to walk you through some great new features we have introduced in our Fogwing CMMS version 2.21 to enhance your maintenance workflow. Let me share my screen quickly and show you all how easy it is to carry out your maintenance on a daily basis. The first enhancement is the work evidence file upload feature when executing your work order. On the execute work order page, you can attach service records and work evidence as PDFs while executing work orders and access them anytime in the work order history section. So I select a work order that I want to start my maintenance with. I start my work order execution. And under the file uploads section, I can attach my service record as a PDF attachment. And I can view it in the work order history section. Next, we have enhanced the plant module to give you more control over your performance goals for each month. You can now set plant level performance goals in the application. So whenever you view the reports based on plants, you can compare the actual values with your target values. So for each plant, you can set maximum downtime, maximum MTTR, minimum MTBF for each month. Secondly, we have included various KPI trend charts on the Asset 360 page. So let me select my desired asset. Go to the Asset 360 page. Under the Reliabilities tab, we have included various trend charts for availability, downtime, MTTR, and MTBF. You can view all these trend charts for a various duration, like 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. The report section also has been upgraded to include these KPI trends. So the reports module will now have 4 new reports in the asset reliability section. Those are MTTR trend, MTBF trend, downtime trend, and the breakdown summary. Let me show what these reports are capable of and how you can use them to analyze your assets efficiency. In the MTTR trend report, you can choose the duration for which you want to view the data. You can either select from plant or you can choose multiple categories or assets to view the MTTR trend. So you can select your desired asset for which you want to generate the report. You will be given the MTTR trend in an ADR chart, indicating its values over time. And you can also have a table that lists the MTTR values for each month-wise, which you can download it into a CSV or a PDF file. You can use this MTTR trend that you have downloaded for your further analysis. You can also generate the report for a plant. So instead of choosing an asset, you can choose your desired plant and view the data. When you choose a plant-wise report, you can see the target value of the plant month-wise, which is compared with your actual value, which you can also download it into a PDF or a CSV file for your further analysis. And another significant and most useful report is the breakdown summary report, which gives you all the required KPIs in a single report. So you select the month for which you want to see the data, select an asset, which will list down all the KPI values like the downtime, the target availability, MTTR, MTBF, total number of failures, and the downtime percentage of the asset for the desired month. You can also download the report as a CSV or a PDF file, which can be used at a later point of time. A new dispose action is now available in the asset module. Before disposing of an asset, users must enter a closure note for any pending work orders. So if there is an asset you want to, which is out of service, or if you're not using it anymore, you can go to the actions, which prompts you an option called dispose, which expects the user to enter a closure note, which will then be used for closing all the pending work orders of this particular asset. For confirmation, users are expected to enter the asset name. Once confirmed, asset will be disposed. All the disposed assets will be displayed in the asset listing in a grayed out manner. So you can see all the assets that are disposed listed down at the end of the asset listing as a grayed out fields. Once an asset is disposed, you will be receiving an email notification for managers and admin users, indicating that the asset is being disposed. So that is it from my end for version 2.21. I'll pass it on to Prasad. Over to you, Prasad.
Thank you, Nikita, for the wonderful demo. It was really insightful. Stay tuned for such more feature which are coming soon in Fogwin CMMS. Thank you for watching the video.